to 40-45 miles per hour. We've already seen that through the night. So future wind gusts here with the computer model by 10:30 a.m. Again, registering around 40 miles per hour. Starts to get a little bit lighter this afternoon and evening. Still going to be windy, but not as strong as what we're seeing this morning. And then overnight tonight, the winds continue to die down. Now in Port Washington this morning, sustained winds 17 miles per hour, 51 degrees right now in Port Washington. You can see the flags are kind of whipping there in the shadows. It's kind of eerie looking with the shadows there, like spirits. On Port Washington. Ooh. All right, currently in Milwaukee, we're taking a live look towards the Marquette interchange where we have a lot of rain here in Milwaukee. The rain is not nearly as heavy across our northern spots. Milwaukee and south, more of a steady rainfall. 49 degrees right now in Milwaukee. 48 degrees in West Bend, 46 in Burlington. Not going to warm up much today. Let's go through your weather headlines here. A nasty morning, rainy and windy. This afternoon, the steady rain with the storm system moves out, but we could see a few lake effect rain showers develop. Not snow showers, but rain showers develop this afternoon. Nicer heading into tomorrow. All right, here's the Storm 4 Max radar this morning, where again you can see our southern spots, the brunt of this system. Lake Geneva, soggy. Burlington, Waterford, it's coming down pretty good, and a steady rain over towards Racine and Kenosha. Let's widen the view out. Area of low pressure down centered across Illinois. Again, on the southern end of things, that's where they had the severe weather, and now some of those heavier storms working their way towards Cincinnati. So future forecast here for us, the steady rain tapers off by midday, but then in the afternoon you have that north-northeast fetch of wind, very similar to what you get with lake effect snow, and a few lake effect rain showers developing this afternoon and possibly lingering into tonight. And then that should taper off tomorrow, and lots of sunshine on the way for your Tuesday night and into Wednesday. Looks like a decent amount of sunshine as well. All right, your forecast for today, high temperature of 51, holding steady with the temperature, rainy and windy. Again, just a lake effect stray shower this afternoon. Chance of lake effect rain showers tonight. Windy, a low of 44. Here's your 7-day. Couple decent days. Tuesday and Wednesday look good, 50s. Decent amount of sunshine. Thursday, the next storm system, soggy again Thursday and into Friday morning. And then the weekend, as of right now, looks dry for trick-or-treating. Saturday, partly cloudy, 58, and Halloween Sunday, 52 degrees.